Hi students, we are recording this video so that we can guide you about your coming assignment, which is on creating boxes using the concept of volume that you have studied in your last assignment. If you haven't completed your previous assignment, so please do complete that assignment first, because without completing that assignment you will have difficulties to solve this one. Okay, now what you need to do, just the video it attach in the assignment that you're watching right now, and I will guide you about all the instruction you need to do in the assignment. First thing what you will do, you have to record a video to show your box that you have created, and in the video you will cover the answers of the required volume of task 1. You have to do the calculation, and you will show that the box you have created exactly have the maximum volume that is possible. So you will write the complete calculation on a piece of paper, on board, or anywhere you can write, and you will show that in your video. And you will also talk about how did you create that box. You will actually be creating that box in the video. And lastly, you will show that both the boxes you have created fulfills the requirement that I will just discuss in a minute, that the requirements that are given in the assignment. So at least you will cover these three things in your video, and we will score you accordingly. In this assignment you will have to submit a video of yours with your created box. Okay, so notes are very important. By the time you are fulfilling the requirements that your box is satisfying the given requirement, you have to pour water in it. You will be filling those boxes with water. So because you will be making boxes using a card sheet or cardboard, so it will be difficult for you to pour water in it. So what you can do, you will first place a plastic sheet. You can take any shopper or anything, you will first place it, and then you will pour water in it, so it will be fine. It will not be teared, or nothing will happen with your box. So by the time you are recording video, first place a plastic, then pour water, and satisfy that your box fulfills the requirement, whatever the requirement I will discuss in a minute. Okay, so all the instructions are here in this PDF. So just open this, and you will have all the instructions in front of you. Okay, so here you have the instructions of this assignment. First thing is, it is written that you need to make a video to show that the boxes you created in the assignment satisfy the requirements of the task. So you will show in your video that you have created this box, and this box fulfills the requirement which is given in the assignment. Okay, so instructions are given. What is written? How you can create a rectangular prism. So you can easily, what you will do, you will take a square sheet of 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. You will take a sheet, then you will cut identical squares from each corner, and then fold up the flaps to make a box without a lid. I can show you on GeoGebra. Just let me show you. Okay, for example, you will take a sheet of 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Actually you will take a sheet in hard, not on GeoGebra. So actually you will take this like this sheet, like this, 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, and then you will have to cut identical squares from four corners. For example, you can cut squares of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter from all of these four corners. You can also cut a square of 2 by 2. You can cut 3 by 3, and according to your requirement you will cut out. When you will cut out these boxes, so you can see here, so you can create a box by folding the flaps. Just look at this. If you cut out, then you can see that you will have flappers like this. If you have cut out these corners of this sheet, then these will be your flappers, and you can flip them like this. You can fold up, and you can see that they are it is becoming a box. So you can fold it, and it will be a box in front of you like this. So this become a box without a lid. It will be open from the top. So you are required to make these boxes, right? I have guided you how can you create this. You will take a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter box. It is the requirement of the assignment. Then you can decide whether you need to cut out 20 by 20 square or 6 by 6 square. You can take any square, but make sure that as you change the size of the squares you are cutting from each of these corners, you can see that their volume are changing. You are having a different sizes of box, right? So you can see that you are having different boxes. So you need to decide to which size of squares you need to cut out, so that you have a box that fulfills the requirement of the assignment. Now let's come back to the assignment and show what are the requirements. Okay, in the assignment it is written that first you need to you can create boxes of different volumes, as I have shown you using GeoGebra, by varying the size of the squares you cut out. If you cut out the square of 1 centimeter square, so it will be you will have different box with different volume. Then if you cut a square by 20 by 2 by 2 centimeters, so the box will be with different volume you will have. So first you need to answer these questions. First, the square of 1 by 1, if you cut out, what will be the volume of your box? If you cut out 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter square from the corners, so the box you will get, what will be the volume of that box? You need to write that volume here. Then you will write, if you cut out the 20 centimeter 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter squares from the corners, so the box you will get, what will be the volume of that box? Similarly 3 by 3, so you will write all of these 3 volumes, right? Definitely they will be different. Then in the first task, after writing these, you will see that whether the volume is increasing when you are increasing the size of squares you are cutting from the corners. So you can see the pattern here, and then what will you do? Okay, then you will create a box efficiently with the maximum possible volume of this type of box that can be made from a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter square of sheet. So now you need to make an actual box, and your box should have the maximum volume which is possible. For example, if you cut out 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, then 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, you will see that the volume will be increasing. But you need to select the side of squares, and you have to cut the squares according to that. You will have, after cutting that, the box you will get should have the maximum possible volume, right? So first you will take that box. In the second assignment, you will also make a box separately, but you should know that 1 ml is exactly equals to 1 centimeter cube. If you have a cube that has all sides equals to 1 centimeter, so it will hold exactly 1 ml of water, right? So this is the key. And if you want to make a box that should hold 500 ml of water, like this is half liter. So if you want to hold 500 ml of water, so you need to make a box with volume 500 centimeter cube. So you have to make a box that has volume of 500 centimeter cube, right? So that it could hold 500 ml of water. So you will use again separate sheet of 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, and you will create a box as you did in this. You will cut out the squares from the corners, and you will fold up the flappers to make a box. So then you will make a video. You should hold. These are the requirements. The first requirement, that your box should hold exactly 500 ml water, neither more nor less. Your box, what you have created, should exactly hold 500 ml or half liter water. So you can use a water bottle to measure whether it is holding the exact water or not, right? To measure a water, you may use a water bottle of 500 ml. You can get this bottle anywhere, right? Pour a water from bottle into your box in a video to show that your box holds exactly 500 ml water. In the video, what you will do, you will take your box, you will place a plastic sheet in it, then you will exactly pour 500 ml water in it. In a video, you will be showing that in a video, and you will show that your box exactly holds 500 ml water. So exactly you will take two boxes. You will make two boxes. One box with maximum possible volume with 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter sheet, and second a box that has a volume of 500 centimeter cubes using the same sheet of size, right? So this is your assignment. I hope you will like this assignment. You will enjoy this. Thank you so much.